Hey, welcome back and welcome back to the channel. Here I make fashion and lifestyle content. So we're doing a mini vlog today. I thought I'm just going to share this. So on these days I was just feeling low on these days. So I took myself to a meadow close to where I live and I was absolutely blown away by the scenery. So this is the first time I've been to this location. So I was really blown away, enjoying the scenery with me.
Oh my god, this place is stunning. Oh my god. This is beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. So pretty. Wow. This is a nice sight.
So guys, after that run I had yesterday, I was feeling all, I don't know how to even energize. You know, there's something with exercise, it just bring the good thing, it just bring that energy that you think you don't have, like the endorphin, everything, the adrenaline, everything just kick in. So the next day I was meeting a friend, so we played tennis together, and this is me just driving to where we usually meet because I take on tennis, was it last September? So I don't really know how to play it, and my kids are beginning to play tennis, and I was just like, you know what, for me just to be able to play double with them probably in the future, I have to learn because I have a bit of time now. So I just thought to myself, you know what, I've been procrastinating. I was just like, you know what, we're doing it, and it has been amazing. Now I really understand, like tennis player, my goodness, they do really do earn their money because that game is difficult. When I say it's difficult, it's hard. It's just incredible. I was just like, I understand. I see the reason why Serena Williams, they earn what they earn because all this spinning, all this grip, you know, the hammer grip, the forehand grip, the backhand grip, all those kind of things. It's just so complicated, honestly.
Hey, good morning. How you guys doing? So I'm here to play tennis with a friend. I think she's stuck in traffic. I managed to dodge this morning traffic. Oh, what is it now? But she's stuck there. So I'm just at the tennis place. I'm just going to quickly go put my name down so that I can secure a court. There's one particular court that I like playing in because I'm not like a good tennis player. So I like to have the one that is enclosed that people cannot see me that much, see my skills because some people are so good. Oh my god, no, somebody's already there. Oh no, they've taken the court that I like. This is my one usually. Somebody's already there. Oh yeah. One or two is taken. I don't know why people don't. Oh, my friend is here. Yeah. So let's go see what we can get to. I think there's some people doing tennis summer club. It's a big place. Oh, people are already there. So one or two is taken. I don't know about this other court here. Anyway, let me go sort myself out.
So this is me just enjoying the tennis with my friend. It was amazing, like beginning to really return the ball. Who would have thought that tennis is so difficult? Anyway, I just really love this lady because she's quite determined as well. So we usually just spend like an hour, like on Wednesdays, just practicing, and it's incredible. I really enjoy it now.
Goodness, guys, I just came back from tennis. It just started raining towards the end of the game. Oh my god, I am all saturated. From nowhere, this rain just literally just came. I'll show you. Everywhere is just like so moment. Look, everywhere is so soggy. So basically, guys, I'm going for a friend's 50th. I just want to quickly show you guys what I am wearing. I'm wearing this pink dress. Sorry, mind the bed is not done yet. So this is my outfit. I'm just going to look for a shoe to wear. I don't even know what to put on. So let me just crack on. So I decided to wear these sandals heel. So this is what I'm wearing for the party. And I have my coat there. I'm going to be wearing that coat with a black handbag. So that's it. And I'm loving my makeup, like literally lovely. Anyway, I'll see you guys.
So lovely. You know, the party I went to, my friend 50th. So I didn't really ask her if I could post some of the footage. So I thought, you know what, I don't want to include it just in case.
Oh my
Probably
god, this
if
place is
people are not,
stunning.
certain people are not
Oh
comfortable
my god.
seeing their face, like
This is
literally. Anyway, this is the end of the
beautiful.
video. If you know you're feeling low,
Absolutely
please do not forget
gorgeous.
to just do the simple thing. Go for a walk. Fresh air really does work. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It really does help this channel, like giving this channel a like button and hitting the smash button and switching on your notification bell. It really does help my channel to grow. Please do not forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.